In today's video, we will be sharing with you this delicious garlic sesame noodles recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoyed this video. For this recipe, you will need 1 box of spaghetti, 4 tablespoons butter, 5 garlic cloves shredded, 1 tablespoon brown sugar, 3 green onions chopped, 1 teaspoon sesame oil, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds. First, you are going to cook the spaghetti as directed by the box. Starting off with the brown sugar, we're going to add the sesame oil and the soy sauce and mix until the sugar dissolves. In a pan over heat, we are going to add the butter and let it melt. Next, we are going to add the garlic and stir for a couple seconds, making sure not to burn it. Then we are going to add in our cooked spaghetti and mix thoroughly. Next, we're going to add in the brown sugar mixture that we made earlier and coat the noodles entirely. Then we are going to add the sesame seeds and mix thoroughly. Finally, we are going to add half of the green onions. Our meal is now finished and you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.